Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. So I'm going to do comment of the week straight into this video, and this comment of the week is from Tia. She gave me a list of skincare products that she has been currently using, and it reminded me that I am going to be trying out some new skincare products, so be on the lookout for that in the future. And I will put the comment of the week right here so you can look at it for yourself. This video might seem a little bit repetitive if you have been on my channel before, if you are currently subscribed, but I wanted to do this video for people that are new or just for you guys that might not have seen these videos before on my channel, to show you guys what are my must-haves for being on Tretinoin. I've gone through my skincare routines and my must-haves for dealing with acne and breakouts on this channel, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I think are things that you should definitely have, definitely things that you should go ahead and buy or get or, you know, compile before you start Tretinoin. My first suggestion is that you should be using satin or silk pillowcases. Even if you aren't on Tretinoin, these are something that you should be using. They're definitely a lot less harsh on your face compared to cotton pillowcases. Satin and silk pillowcases will definitely allow you to glide your face across the pillowcase without any friction or irritation. Once you're on Tretinoin, your skin is likely to be irritated, even if it's not like red or you might not have a purge. Your skin will probably be irritated in the sense that your skin cells are turning over. Just in general, cotton pillowcases will wick the moisture out of your skin, leaving your skin feeling dry. So the less friction that you have as you sleep, the better. My next thing is just to have a gentle facial cleanser. I'm currently using the La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. I've done a review and demo of this, and I've showed how I use this in several of my routines. I just think it's good to have a gentle cleanser. Don't use the Cerave Salicylic Acid Cleanser, just like something gentle. Unless your dermatologist or esthetician recommends it, I would just start off by using a gentle cleanser, kind of similar to my things that I did to get my skin barrier intact video that I do have, but just a normal gentle cleanser will do great for you because you don't want any extra actives or ingredients to further your skin's irritation or aggravate your skin. Another product that I've used in a recent video is this thermal spring water spray. So I really do like having this mist of water on my face. You can use, I'm sure, like bottled water, tap water, and just mist it on your face. So as you're working through your skincare routine, like if you feel like your face is getting like tight or dry, it's really nice to spray this on your face to bring back some moisture and hydration to your skin as you go through your skin care routine. Another product that I recommend using is just a moisturizing cream. I would recommend using just like one that's normal, regular, not a lot of actives that might have the potential to irritate your skin. So my recommendation is the Cerave Moisturizing Cream. I have to get more of this, but I just love this. It has ceramides in it, and it's just really nice on the skin. It helps protect your skin barrier, which is really important if you are on Tretinoin or starting to take Tretinoin. And it also has hyaluronic acid. Speaking of hyaluronic acid, I did get a comment that said that you're not supposed to use hyaluronic acid while on Tretinoin, but you actually can, and I highly recommend it, and you'll see that a lot of professionals recommend this as well. This helps keep your skin hydrated. I did a video of how I apply this hyaluronic acid in my skincare routine. I will link it in the description box. Hyaluronic acid is such a game changer, and it helps to keep your skin hydrated. Like, you do not want dehydrated skin while on Tretinoin. So I use this healing ointment at the very start of my routine. I know there's the Cerave one that people love. I know that Makeup for a Woman of Color on Twitter and on Instagram kind of had created the glazed donut gang. So this is like something that I really loved for my skin, especially at the top of my routine. It was just something that I did to kind of seal my skin at the end of it. It's similar to applying Vaseline on your face after moisturizing your skin. It's something that's very common for Black people to do, especially when you're a child. I still like doing this. I don't do it as often, but if I need that extra step, I will kind of like seal in my face. So another thing that I recommend if you are on Tretinoin is to have pimple patches. These are a lifesaver when it comes to you purging. I highly recommend using pimple patches. If you are going to be on Tretinoin, go ahead and keep these in stock. I always keep them in stock in general because like I got on Tretinoin and I was having breakouts. So I keep these when I travel, like job interviews, all of that, like major events. Like I also like to apply these as soon as I feel like a little bump or something on my skin, and it makes it go a lot faster. I'll put links to all these products in the description box. I purchase these from a lot of different places, so I don't have just like one set that I get them from, but I do like the CosRx ones. My last thing is, if you are starting Tretinoin, if you are on Tretinoin, you have to be wearing a sunscreen. I do a lot of sunscreen reviews on my channel, so feel free to check out any of those sunscreens. I just brought up this Double Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 30, and I brought this one up because it is a moisturizing sunscreen, which is really great to use while you are on Tretinoin, because the more moisturization that you can get, the better while you're on Tretinoin. You do not want to cause your skin to be drier than it should be, or than it has to be while you're on Tretinoin. So I recommend using these products. You don't have to use them all. Use them as you see fit, but these are just like things that I use regularly that I like to keep in my cabinet. So these are just products that I like to use. These have helped me so much while I've been on Tretinoin, and these are after being on Tretinoin for almost a year and a half at this point. These are like definitely staples that I keep on me. So, and the thing is, you don't have to buy like these certain brands. You don't have to buy these certain products. Like especially like with this water, you can just spray water on your face. You can use any gentle cleanser. Like I've used Cerave's gentle cleanser. Just do whatever fits for your routine. Do what fits for your lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments. What is something that you feel like is a must-have for being on Tretinoin? As always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.